Can't get Chrome OS Flex to work in VirtualBox? Let's troubleshoot together. Chrome OS Flex is awesome, but VirtualBox isn't its best friend. Here's why. First, there's no virtual GPU support. Chrome OS Flex needs those drivers to run smoothly in a virtual setup. Next, it's designed for physical devices. It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. And don't forget security. Chrome OS Flex uses UEFI Secure Boot, adding another layer of complexity. But don't worry, there are steps to try. Step 1. Create a bootable USB using the Chrome OS Flex Recovery utility. Step 2. Optional. Convert the USB's bin file to an ISO image. Some users find this works better. Step 3. In VirtualBox, enable UEFI boot and select your USB as the boot drive. Having issues? Try different USB drives, tweak BIOS UEFI settings, or switch to legacy boot mode. Still no luck? Give QEMU a shot. It's more compatible with Chrome OS Flex. Remember, success isn't guaranteed with VirtualBox. But with these tips, you're closer to making it work.